Hello, my name is Moe, and today I'm going to show you the new way of brewing Tencha. Ding! Okay, so shall we brew?
Let's brew.
Okay, what we need to prepare is very simple. Tea, water, the scale is here, and we need a pitcher. So I'm gonna just pour the tea into a cup to measure about 20 grams, a little bit more. And this is actually not obubuzu style. We always recommend to use like 8 grams of tea for 1 liter of cold brew tea. But this one, I was talking with Akky, our lead tea farmer and president, chairman without a chair, because he's always in the field. Anyway, so when I was talking to him, he introduced me to brew this method, and that was actually quite amazing flavor. And it used a lot of tea. On the other hand, unlike the regular cold brew method, you can infuse it many times. So it's not wasting too much leaf because you're able to brew several infusions for the cold brew. So, oh, the wedges disappear. I need to start it again. ごめんなさい. So yeah, 22 or 3 grams will be nice. You don't see anything? Dropping the leaf. 2 to 8. 2 to 0.8. So 22 grams. こんな感じ. This is a lot of leaf. But it's gonna make really, really delicious cold brew tea. I'm gonna put everything in this one. So, you ready?
Bye.
いきます. Making a little mess. Now I've got beautiful pattern on the desk, the table, and the sound. Alright, so about this much. So the next, grab the water and then pour it over to the glass jar. Soak all the tea with water, but we can mix it later, so don't worry too much. So this bottle can contain 750 milliliters of water, so I believe this is about that. Cool. Let's put it all in. Perfect! And let's mix very gently. Sugoi. Ready! Not to drink. Ready to put it in the fridge because we want to make a cold brew tea and wants to make it a little bit cooler. So what we are going to do next is we are going to put this one to the fridge and then wait it for like 15-20 minutes, and that's all. It will be ready to drink. Shall we?
行きましょうか。
行きましょう. Welcome back. It's been 20 minutes almost, and we are back to the tea room. So what I've got here is the tea. Very beautiful. Look at the color. Very, very beautiful green color here. I just got a little bit of ice cubes just in case, just because 15 minutes or 20 minutes is not sometimes good enough for the tea to cool down as a cold brew. So I prepared some ice, but it's up to you. If you wanna have a really cold tea, then here's the ice. But if you're happy to drink a little bit cooler tea, then this is what you want to drink. では let's mix a little bit gently first, because there are quite a lot of leaf. Okay. では I'm gonna pour the jar. It's a little bit, it's cool enough, but I want to add a little bit of ice cube because it's a really hot day today. Maybe 3 ice cubes. Wow, really tasty. It is really high viscosity, but it doesn't extract any bitterness at all. So it's really sweet, thick, delicious cold brew tencha. So the summary: tea, glass bottle, glass jars, and a few cups. Plus, don't forget the fridge to be cooled.
So what would your summary of the brewing technique?
Yeah. So for the brewing techniques, first you measure the tea, like about 20 grams, and then put it in the glass bottle, and then pour the water to the top. So this can contain 750 milliliters. So if you have like 500 milliliters bottle, then you need to measure the tea about like 15 grams. And then put it in the fridge, wait until it's get cold, but about 15-20 minutes, and then it's ready to drink. And it's ready to drink. And it's ready to drink. So today we introduced one of our obesity Tencha with different cold brew style, and I hope you'll enjoy this at home too. So have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you very much.